About 3 miles away from Lake Garda is the small town of Lonato del Garda. Let's discover the marvellous art of restoration work and its secrets in the Madonna del Corlo church in the centre of Lonato del Garda. Let's view some pieces of art and allow our imagination to wander. A mixture of lime, sand, water and coloured pigments are the main basis of mural painting, and thanks to these artists it develops into an incredible piece of artwork. In 1519, Raffaello, a great Italian painter, wrote a letter to Paul Leo X. This letter constitutes the main founding document of protection and conservation of artistic heritage. The job of an art restorer can be solitary, whilst in close contact with works of art, and requires a significant amount of skill and training, a combination of chemistry, history of art and good judgement. The conservator touches, observes and analyses the fine details of the artist's work of art. Artwork can be adversely affected by negligence, willful damage and inevitable decay. Moisture in the air affects the surfaces adversely by having soluble salts developing, and the reaction damages the frescoes, erasing the layers of paint. One can really appreciate good restoration work by visually comparing the photos from beforehand and after conservation treatment. More often than not, the results are truly amazing. In the 50s, both painters Franco Fedeli and Simone Buti restored the presbytery, which uncovers stunning wall paintings inside the church itself. They used a technique conforming to present artistic taste and knowledge of nowadays that has a powerful impact on the original surface. The articles in the journals report the enthusiasm and the passion of the people of Lonato regarding the restoration work. In the 70s, the marvellous compianto was restored as well. 8 life-size wooden sculptures made at the end of the 1500s. After that, the church was abandoned and damaged. Human negligence led to the loss of unique and unrepeatable works of art. In 1986, the voluntary group Amici del Corlo opened the church again, and it began to rise again from the ashes. Art restoration work continues to develop and maintains the historical significance of the artistic works of art. From 2011 until today, the conservators and restorers Luisa Pari and Sandra Ragazzoni have worked in the preservation, protection and monitoring of the Madonna del Corlo artwork. Cleaning, scraping, filling, impending and researching, everything involved here is very delicate. Wall painting has a particular vulnerability, being the interaction between the surfaces and the environment. There is still a lot to do. Such an artistic heritage needs a lot of care. So that everyone can enjoy and appreciate the end results.
Questo praticamente è una tappa di un percorso avviatosi qualche anno fa, un percorso che ha impegnato la Fondazione in progressivi restauri di un prezioso bene di cui ci troviamo a essere proprietari e che è un po' anche un simbolo della Fondazione.